Hello my country people, how you na dey now? You know, welcome to Street Parrot again. I don't bring am for you full load gist. This one what I bring for you, I beg. When I run them here, say na me tell you, because I no go shout too much, because now wetin happen for our compound, I won't gist you. This thing happen for my village here. Now one baba I wan tell you about customer wan come charge for inside. That's why he plug iPhone. The baba come play music, make he dance small. As he lift up his leg like this, bam. You know this thing where they say in Yoruba, say gbese kote sumole. No be a shoe this time around though. Na iPhone the baba press. I beg when I don't let them hear, so I tell you that one. You know, say I be Parrot. Everything will happen for my street. I go to bring them for you. Full load gist. You remember what I wanted? I see as I go one day. I see two market women, they will enter bus. Now so then they drag the bus. Now me go enter, now me go enter. The next thing where I see, the glass come out. A vehicle car glass. Now so it come out for their hand. You know what the driver do? The driver just park jelly. Say no worry. Now here everybody go speak. You know do my glass. You know they go anyway. I beg, when I know that they here. Say now me tell you all this thing because now waiting happen. And that first one will happen. Don't let them hear say I tell you. No loud down, no too loud down. Now so the baba now don't they wear and make I not tell you the rest of the story like that. Join me another time on your Street Parrot. I remain yours sincerely, Obashala Olanre. Many thanks to those people that do this program with me together that make it sweet like this. See you next time. Bye bye.